of spirits in your Prada bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride, a manic pixie dream girl.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening guys. Welcome to my channel. It has been so long without me posting some videos, and it's because I've been busy actually. This evening I'm traveling to Nakuru. We are having a meeting tomorrow, and so I decided after work I travel to Nakuru. There is a meeting tomorrow in the morning at Statehouse. Then later I'll have to proceed to Kijabe. So join me as we travel together, as we look forward to the next day's events. Keep watching guys.
Crosstown tracks. Guess it's true sometimes opposites attract, but it never lasts. So maybe it was just the right thing lining up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt she'd ever leave my head. What could I have done? Could I have said I'll never know, I'll never know. Oh, I'll never know, I'll never know.
Guys, this is Kijabe. This is on Wednesday, because on Tuesday that I was at Statehouse, there were no photos, there were no cameras. That's why I couldn't take any video. So today here I'm at Kijabe Hospital. We arrived very late in the evening, so the only thing they did was just taking measurements. Then we proceed with the exercise the following day.
I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt you ever leave my head. What could I have done? Could I have said I'll never know, I'll never know. Oh, I'll never know, I'll never know. Oh, I'll never know, I'll never know.
Guys, today is on Thursday. This is the day they were fixing the wheelchair and adjusting it to fit me very well, and in case of any discomfort, that was the time to rectify it. So it's a whole process altogether, because after this process of fixing the wheelchair, I'll have to go for training, whereby they'll have to train me on how to use the wheelchair. We were given some gifts there, you know, some goodies actually. We interacted with these people from Hope Mobility. These are the guys who brought wheelchairs, and actually these wheelchairs are of great help to the people. Many people here in Kenya are suffering because of lack of these devices. As you can all see here, after fixing the wheelchair, I was taken through the training. That is I was told he's a reverend. He was taking me through the training of the wheelchair. Then later we had meals. We were given some food. It was actually some rice together with beans. It was a good event. I'm grateful to the Hope Mobility. Thanks to them, they are really doing a great job to help persons with disability. Then thereafter, we just had to leave the venue, and I had to proceed all the way to Nairobi for another meeting.
I'll never know.
Good morning guys. Today is on Friday, here at Hyatt Regency Hotel in Nairobi. We had gone for a meeting. Clubfoot Care Kenya had a meeting. They were celebrating 20 years gala launch. So we were here to celebrate together. It was a good event. Our guest of honor had already arrived at that moment. It was a good event actually. It was a good one. We got to see the progress of the Clubfoot Care Kenya, the progress they've taken to change lives of young kids to live a better life. Actually, it was a great event. I really enjoyed it. We had great moment with Honorable Sankok, who graced the event. And actually, we can say Clubfoot Kenya is doing a great job. Guys, if you see a child with clubfoot, remember, it's treatable. It's treatable. So guys, let us spread awareness and let us allow the community to understand that clubfoot is treatable. It is treatable, guys. Let's eradicate more disabilities in Kenya.
But your parents came in the cul-de-sac, leaned back in a leather-clad seat. Darker spirits in your Prada bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride. A manic pixie dream girl right beside me, and she said she liked me, but I bet it was a right thing lining up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt she'll ever leave my head. What could I have done, could I have said? I'll never know, I'll never know. And I kinda like that. Came from different sides of the crosstown tracks. Guess it's true sometimes opposites attract, but it never lasts. So maybe it was just the right thing lining up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt she'd ever leave my head. What could I have done, could I have said? I'll never know, I'll never know.
Guys, I'm back home after a very busy week, and here I had a problem in my house. Water was leaking from the ceiling, and my ceiling had really become worse and looking very bad. It was pathetic. So I had to change the ceiling. I called these people. They came and they dismantled it. You can see the house is messy and very, very dusty. They did a good job actually. They removed the ceiling. Everything was a mess, I can say so. Everything was a mess. But I'm glad after they had dismantled everything, they were able to fix it again. They fixed a new ceiling and they also painted it. It's because this is the moment I was actually getting ready, because this week was the week that I was expecting visitors. That's why I had to repair the ceiling and to let that ceiling look good. The ceiling was supposed to be painted, and actually it was painted, and this is how it looked.
But your came in the cul-de-sac. Leaned back in a leather-clad seat. Darker spirits in your Prada.
Hello guys, we were now preparing for the visitors. We started at night. So today is Friday, and I'm trying to iron the throw pillow covers to get ready. I'm glad I had my sisters, my kids, who are really supporting me in this. I couldn't make it by myself, guys. You know, cleaning the house, putting the cases, trying to dust the house, cleaning the house, and also the process of cooking. It was not easy. I couldn't make it by myself. You see, I truly needed support in all this. So this is the day that I'm expecting my visitors. We always have a welfare group that we visit each other every month, and so it was my turn for them to come to my house. That's why I was really ready for this day. So join us today as we go on with all the process, and I hope you guys you'll enjoy watching this video, and it will be of great happiness to watch. Thank you guys.
Said I'll never know, I'll never know. Oh, I'll never know, I'll never know. Oh, I'll never know, I'll never know. You made a country club pool feel like Malibu Beach. Sure, your parents had money, but you like to drink cheap. Should've known the first moment you're out of my league, but you said you liked me. Oh, I bet it was a right thing running up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt you ever leave my head. What could I have done, could I have said? I'll never know, I'll never know. Your parents came in the cul-de-sac. Leaned back in a leather-clad seat. Darker spirits in your Prada bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride. A manic pixie dream girl right beside me, and she said she liked me, but I bet it was a right thing running up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt you ever leave my head. What could I have done, could I have said? I'll never know, I'll never know. And I kinda like that. Came from different sides of the crosstown tracks. Guess it's true sometimes opposites attract, but it never lasts. So maybe it was just the right thing running up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt you ever leave my head. What could I have done, could I have said? I'll never know, I'll never know. Oh, I'll never had money, but you like to drink cheap. Should've known the first moment you're out of my league, but you said you liked me. Oh, I bet it was a right thing running up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt you ever leave my head. What could I have done, could I have said? I'll never know, I'll never know. Oh, I'll never know, I'll never know.
About that girl, or we kept in our hearts about that girl when she was alive. It's about anything else that she got married later.
But your parents came in the cul-de-sac, leaned back in a leather-clad seat, pack of spirits in your Prada bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride, a manic pixie dream girl right beside me. And she said she liked me, but I bet it was a right thing lining up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know.
So guys, this is it I had for you this week. Until next time, I just want to say bye bye and thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe if you haven't. Help me reach 1000 subscribers. Bye.
I'll never know. We were nothing alike, and I kinda like that. Came from different sides of the crosstown tracks. Guess it's true sometimes opposites attract.